this one. Hi guys, this is Neerav Hingu. I am a logo analyst, handwriting expert, and a numerologist from Mumbai, India. I am conducting a logo designing workshop, a complete tutorial workshop that will be live on Zoom application starting from 17th of December. It is a continuously 16 hours, not continuously, a 4 day 4 hour daily 4 hour workshop on Zoom applications starting on 17th December. And what will it will be include? This logo designing is not a very small or a basic logo designing workshop like to go on to the Canva and do some uh, drag and drop type. It is totally different. It is completely based on the science because what is the logo and what is the scientific validation and how to create a scientific logo, very less people know. So for the first time, I mean, made a extensive advanced logo designing workshop, and it is open for all, especially for the working professional, for the agency owners, digital marketers, bloggers, as well as for the graphic designer, logo designer, handwriting expert, to whom we call as a graphologist, signature expert, for all those people who are into the logo designing, on those who work for the graphics also. It is a very important to understand the logo. Logo is not that you just download it from the Google images and do little bit of editing and that's it. So logo is a very in-depth subject, and it needs a very deeper knowledge of the handwriting as well as the color also. So what I will be covering in this session of logo design, advanced logo designing, I will say. I also have a basic logo designing course that is up to 4 hours. I take for a 1 day only in one to one as well as in the group. But this time I've been launching the advanced logo designing, that is our far way a very deep level course, and it will be include what is a logo, what is the science behind the logo designing, why we need a logo, what is the validation, what is the need to create a brand logo or personal brand logo also. Again, the factors, what are the factors which are affecting the logo designing? They are the five elements: Agni, Prithvi, Vayu, Jal, and Akash. So similarly, the five elements is made up of human body and your thoughts get manifested in the form of material, that is a logo. Just like you write a signature, you do the autograph. Similarly, your logo is the autograph of your organization, of your brand image. So the logo is also consists of five elements. It seems to be very weird or very new to everybody what I'm speaking, but it is true. The five elements can be seen into the logo, and what you can see the what are the factor affecting the logo designing, what are the elements, compatibility of the elements, branding part I will be covering a little bit, importance of the graphics, importance of the font, what type of font should we choose to start the logo designing or to re-establish or to redesign your logo. Suppose you have been established SMEs or established corporate and you want to redesign your brand logo or company logo, then what should be the factors should be taken into consideration while designing or redesigning our brand logo. Then color combination. Here come the color psychology. So I also look and I also go deeper into the color psychology. What is the color should be taken while designing your logo depends on the because everybody cannot take each and every color. Okay. So you should look upon your industry, your niche, your product or services. Okay. So each and every aspect has been covered into the what is the color combination. Color combination is also very important. Apart from the color combination, the color are also associated with the moods also. So color combination along with the moods, the emotions are also be connected. Then self-life of the logo. It is also a part of the color psychology as well as the brand logo also. Then I will also teach you what is the perfect way of designing the visiting cards as per the Vastu, as per the five elements. What is the perfect way of designing the letterheads also, and what are the other accessories or stationery should be prepared along with the brand logo also. So this all the subjects and a few case study, a live case study whatever the student asks me in those live sessions also, that will be also been covered in the brand logo designing workshop. So it is a 16-hour workshop starting on 17th of December. So those who want to enroll for this logo designing, you can enroll. I will be putting a description of the payment link and also a complete description what will be covered into the logo designing. And one more bonus, those who have been Coming to my logo design workshop, I'm giving the one-to-one consultation which is worth of 11,000 on brand logo analysis, how to analyze the logo. Okay, that's I always charge on my corporate clients also. So I'll be doing the brand logo analysis only to those paid participants who are coming to my workshop. So that is a bonus. You also get a free consultation. I will not say a free; it's a paid one, but only for the for paid people. A material also, okay. And I think that's once you come down to my logo analysis workshop, you will get the insight what the logo can say about the organizations. What the logo can say. Logo can tell you what is the vision of the company, what is the mission of the company, will the company will decline or will the company will grow, how much the company will grow, what is the mindset of the founders or co-founders, what can be the HRM policy of those companies, what will be the relationship of employer or employee. That can also be seen from the brand logo also. And what is the relation of the supplier as well as the vendors also. Will the outcome get clear? This all the minute and very important aspect will be taken into consideration in this brand logo designing workshop. So guys, without wasting the time, you can enroll, and if you feel, you can even go to my website just to because we have the habit to go into the research before listening or before getting into something a new concept. So I wrote down many of the blogs on my blog, that is occultspeak.com, OCCULT speak, SPEAK. So there are many blogs are written on the logo designing, as well as I have written many brand logo analysis also on my personal website, business website, that is niravhingu.com, NIRAVHIINGU, niravhingu.com. So you will understand how to analyze the logo and what the logo can speak out and tell you thousand things only based on your color combinations and each and everything. So guys, without uh, wasting more time, I will inviting you for my workshop on 17th of December. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you on 17th of December 2020. Bye bye.